Oh, crud. Now I'm stuck. Hey. Well, this is the worst part. All right. Well, this is what happens when you don't have window tints. What the heck is going on, man? All right, guys. It is currently 10:40 p.m. on a Saturday night. We got the G80 M3, and we got my boy Sticks over here in the 440,000. Right, Sticks?
I like how you said that. He said the 440,000.
I can't say it as good as you.
Oh, so it's sticking now. People are catching on to it.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So like you guys saw, I got my boy Sticks over here. We got the G80, we got the 440 with the...
Yeah. What's up, man? What's up?
That's just Sticks things. But yeah, guys, we're gonna roll out to the city. You know, just kind of do like a POV to Times Square. It's kind of fun, so you know, why not?
I think, bro, on this, the POV is gonna look crazy,
bro. This thing's interior, I'm not gonna lie. For those of you who are new to the channel, first of all, this is the G80 M3 2023. That means you get this like gorgeous, gorgeous interior. And not only is it beautiful, man, the ivory, bro. What do you think about the ivory, honestly? This is the first time you've seen it in person. What do you think about the ivory?
It's so nice. I thought that it was more white, because like in the video, it looks more white than what. This looks more like a cream, like a light cream.
Yeah, like an off-white.
The first time I see it on, bro.
Yeah, oh, that's right.
Yo.
Bro, the screen looks sick, right?
That thing looks like I'm watching TV.
But nah, anyways, guys, so we're gonna roll out. Shouldn't be anything too crazy. I think we're just gonna do like a simple POV. You know, drive through Times Square, G80 M3 Times Square, good combination.
And the 440,000 making noise.
Yo, guys, check out that M6. Anyways, we rolling out. I have no idea where Sticks just went. Yo, Sticks, where'd you go? Oh, there he is. Kind of just want to go for a drive. Guys, like I keep on saying, like this car, I don't really drive too often. And I want to drive it more, so that's what we're gonna do. This is what happens when you live in New York. You sit in traffic 90% of the time. Even late on a Saturday night. It's all right though. We still love New York. I don't know, people over here waiting, and it's hilarious because Sticks drove by and his car was burbling and people were not happy about it. But anyways, we made it to the city. Bro, I don't know, but I was just telling my viewers about like how you were driving by and your car was burbling and some dude literally just like looked at you and just like shook his head.
Do it on purpose. I seen all that many people, I said, nah, perfect.
Yeah, I had a feeling you did it on purpose, bro. They all hate you.
Okay, they don't know me.
Yeah, good thing it doesn't say Sticks in huge letters on the side of your car.
Yeah, they're gonna go on my video and comment, yo, you're super annoying, stop that.
Yeah, guys, so we made it to the city. Now, when I say the city, if you guys aren't from New York, like I'm basically talking about Manhattan, right? Like we've been in Manhattan for a little bit. Although I live in New York, you know, I don't live in Manhattan. Like I live outside of Manhattan. Like I can't afford Manhattan, guys, let's be honest. I don't know who can afford to live here, but not me. We're gonna try to go through Times Square. Again, I think it'll just be really cool to drive the G80 through Times Square. This is the first time I'm actually ever drove the G80 honestly in the city. So I don't know, it's always an experience to drive through the city. I'll tell you that, guys. Like the roads are horrible, the streets are like really tight, there's people, you know, just like taxis driving that really don't care if they hit you or not. Honestly, in my opinion, to drive through the city, you kind of have to not care a little bit. You have to have like that like bully driver mentality. Now, I'm not saying I'm the worst with that, I'm not saying I'm the best, and with this G80, definitely not gonna bully anyone because don't want them to hit my car, you know what I mean? But like a taxi, I don't think they really care. It's really not that bad, but you guys know what I mean. If you guys are from New York, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But if you're not from New York, hopefully this drive through the city kind of gives you a sense of what it's like to drive through the city. It's just pretty scenic, especially when you drive through Times Square, you know, like the most touristy spot of New York City. But otherwise, in my opinion, it's a pain. I hate driving through the city. I mean, just look at this. There's a guy with like a little bicycle in a basket right here. Look at this. I don't know what they're doing, but that's New York for you. That's another thing you guys have to be careful for. People on their bikes, because just like the people walking in New York and the taxis, they don't care. They'll hit you. And there it is, guys. I don't know if you can see it in the distance, but there's Times Square. A lot of lights. Now, I gotta say, if you guys are from New York, you know exactly what I mean when I say this. Times Square is not the real New York. It's just like, you know, it's like the touristy spot. Like, no one actually really goes there unless like you're just like visiting and exploring New York. Regardless though, we're gonna try to pull up and, you know, find the parking spot, hopefully within the heart of Times Square. It is a Saturday night, and you guys know what they say. It's a city that never sleeps, so everyone is still out. But it would be cool to take some pictures of the G80 and some reels while we're here, so we'll see if we can make it happen. There's the famous stairs where everyone comes and films TikToks. Look, there's Spider-Man taking a picture of someone else. Why is Spider-Man taking the picture? I don't know. There's people dressed for like clubs. That must be nice. Not my style though. But yeah, man, this is New York City. Again, you know, not the best part of New York City, but definitely attracts a lot of people. Oh, crud. Now I'm stuck. Hey. Well, I'm stuck now. Whoop. That's not good. Well, this is the worst part. All right. Well, this is what happens when you don't have window tints. What the heck is going on, man?
Oh, what the heck? Where you at?
Bro, I'm stuck. But I got a girl like waved at me. So, that was nice. New York City walking. Just gotta cut between people. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go, there we go, there we go. Come on, move fast, move fast, move fast. Come on, 6. I gotta make sure no one broke into my car. I'm not gonna lie, guys, that's more New York City than I can handle in one night. I'm over it, man. New York City, it's crazy. This person has their trunk open. Their trunk is open. I don't know. Anyways, yo, your oil, bro.
I'm leaking coolant.
Nah,
I'm leaking coolant. That's gonna be the title of the video. Stuck in New York City. My car broke.
All right, guys, that pretty much wraps it up because honestly, that's more than I can handle in one night. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, drop it a like, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more content, random stuff like this, or even modding the cars because that's what I like to do more. But anyways, with that said, guys, this video is pretty much done, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.